It's my 1963 Schwinn Typhoon. I bought it for 60 bucks a few months ago, and it didn't look anything like this when I first got it. It was rattle canned, a light baby blue. It had its regular fenders on it. So I went ahead, stripped it all down, and actually I rattle canned this. You can see that's rattle can spray paint, lacquer, decals I got off of eBay. The fenders I got off of a Schwinn Fair Lady. The pedals also. The Fair Lady pretty much was a donor bike for all the parts. The chrome fork cap, front fender, and the front rack. Tires and rims all from the Fair Lady. The ape hangers. The Schwinn seat. And this back rear rack is just off of another Schwinn bike I have. I don't know if it's a Schwinn rack, but that's it. Leave me some comments and tell me what you think.